Now I wear the hat as the founder of Frethan Technology. I'm actually a Chinese, my name is Lindy Chen, a Chinese supplier management consultant, the founder of China Direct Sourcing, the founder of startup Frethan Technology. You see, recently, an Australian business, they import $80,000 copperware. They find the supplier on Alibaba. They pay the money. They receive the product. When they open the container, oh my God, container loads of sandbag. He was shocked. He is not alone. This kind of things often happens in the international trade. You come across the scammers on internet. You go to Alibaba, try to find the supplier. You have no idea who is behind the screen. Is it a person? Is it a dog? Is it a cat? Okay? You come across inferior product. When you want to buy a widget, it comes back, it's a gadget. Then you come like say delivery delay. You want the products to be delivered in September, so it's good for summer season, but your product delivered 2 months later, you totally missed the season. Then plus the language barrier. Every single Chinese supplier, sometimes they write English, and you know it's English words, but you don't understand what it means. It's what we call Chinglish. So you also have the language barrier, and plus the legal complication, different jurisdiction, and the product authenticity, the money lost in transaction, and also dispute unresolved. So many problems happened in international industry. We have been in this industry for the last 15 years. In the last 15 years, we have helped over 2,000 customers, and between them, they saved over $20 million. And we have more than 30,000 reputable Chinese suppliers on our database. We won numerous awards. You name it, we have it. Telstra Business Awards, Small Business Awards, Business Champion Awards, International Winner of the Year, yada yada. Okay, we have numerous awards, and we are the only global service partner of Alibaba. We have developed this unique 3-stage of importing process. Research and tender, stage 1, sampling, purchase the negotiation, production and delivery management. Let's say, for example, if you want to buy this folder and you want 10,000 pieces of them, if it is $1 in China, you pay $1. Okay? You pay us separate fee for service. It's straightforward, it's transparent, and it's we guide you through the whole process. We've been doing very good. We are very happy with the results we have achieved so far. Yet, there are some limitations. It's a very centralized solution. It relies on our well-trained China Direct team in Australia, in China, to service a customer. And for every single project, it takes a lot of resources and take a lot of effort to facilitate one transaction. Every project, our customer pay between from 3,000 to 10,000, and therefore many small and medium-sized business or even startup, they want to use our services and they absolutely love our solution, yet they can't afford. Okay, and because of the labor intensive involved with facilitation, negotiation process, and therefore we couldn't lower the cost any even further. That's how we come to introducing Frethan. With the Frethan, it's an automate solution for the whole China's direct sourcing system. The scammers can't pass identity verification. With the Frethan, if the scammer was on Frethan, 1, they can never pass their identity. Number 2, they can't pass any inspection. So for the same, that a person who bought the copperware. And number 3, in only in any unlikely event, if it happens, then blockchain will collect all the evidence by click of the button. All the evidence collected on the blockchain can submit to the China Internet Court. Because we designed the Frethan according to Chinese electronic signature law, and therefore, and also we linked with the Chinese legal system, and therefore by the click of a button, then we can submit the case and then to help the buyer win the case. Plus, on Frethan, the reputation of the supplier will ruin forever because the blockchain is immutable. You can't go back and change anything. So the cost or the penalty of malicious action or scamming is really high. What we have done on Frethan is we have created the proven templates, and that is our 15 years experience of China direct sourcing, plus our 30,000 trusted Chinese supplier database. We automated the whole management system with the AI technology and the blockchain technology, and then we have the supplier verified by the Chinese government, and then the evidence kept for internet court. The size of our market, if we just look at Australia, it's a $57 billion import from China, and probably 100,000 importers in Australia alone. If we talk about the US market, and then or just the exports of China in year 2018, that's a 40,000 trillion. The size of the market is huge. Our target market is a small and medium-sized business who want to import products from China, but even large customers can use that as well. And our competitive strategy is complement, but not compete with those large e-commerce giants such as Alibaba and Amazon. You can see here, Alibaba is focusing on finding the supplier, finding the product. Amazon is all about selling the product and the marketplace. And we also have, this is what we call the trade lens, is developed by IBM and Masek. They are focusing on digital shipping. And the trade community system is developed by PwC and Port Brisbane. They are focusing on port and custom. We have this unmet niche and also the blue ocean, which is Chinese supplier management, Chinese supplier assurance, and then the whole importing process. So that is what Frethan is focusing on. We have identified the following as our key partner to co-create our ecosystem, such as logistic company, the banks, different like 700 different apps around the world, export council and export department, shipping company, large e-commerce platform, local government focus on export, and the different investors. So we have developed this particular business model, which is called a subscription model. This is our core business. We developed the membership for the buyer, for the seller, and for the third party. So the average, let's say for instance, you used to pay 3,000 to 10,000 per project using our service. Now you pay $139 as a buyer, as a membership subscription. So it is 10 times faster, 10 times simpler, yet 10 times cheaper. And we expect the revenue in 2023, just in Australia alone, is $16.1 million. And with membership, 17,000. If we talk about the worldwide, and it's going to be a huge market. What we have completed so far, we have finished the design of our Chinese blockchain platform. We also have done the core workflow for the English interface and the platform, as you can see here. And with the 3-stage importing process, we have already translated as the business flow. This is the buyer's dashboard, and you can see the supplier, the sample, purchase order, production, logistics, customs, delivery, completed, and reorder. So therefore, as the buyer, you log in to Frethan, and it will come to the buyer's dashboard, and it just automatically remind you, help you to control the whole importing process. This is our front end of Frethan, and we actually done the focus group. And just for the design, we probably had 50 different design to ask for our customer the feedback. And they choose the blue and the yellow, and to see as a trusted brand. Okay, so we have done extensive work. And the current attraction, and as of very good news, we won the Hong Kong IP Hatch Challenge. Yay! Yes, we are now in the negotiation. We are now have the right in the negotiation table with Panasonic, and so we can decide whether we want them or not want them. And also we started this 100 membership pre-sale campaign. So before we even have a product, we ask our customer, do you like our idea? Would you like to pay for the membership? And they said yes. So far, 2 weeks ago, I started this campaign. We already sent a 10 package. Okay, that is how much our customer really love us, and we do have a bunch of advocates. And generally, we generate $25,000 revenue within 1 week. So, the future. Our goal is to achieving the Australian government accelerating commercialization grant of $1 million. Okay, we are on the second stage. We already passed the stage 1. We are on stage 2. And with that money, and literally we are seeking for investment of $982,000. With that money, we want to take Frethan to the world. You see, from the future, from China to Australia, that's only the step 1. And then we can also do the Australia back to China, and then China to, that's
United States.
America.
yes, USA. And then we can also do UK, and then back vice versa. Yeah. So the whole world is our oyster. We have a team of technical experts, blockchain leader, sales and marketing professional. And as you can see, this is me, and Robert Lee is our chief architect, and he has a PhD in economics and the president of Hong Kong Blockchain Application Investment Research Institute. We also have Lina Thomas as our chief technical officer. So, guys, come along with us. We do have, if you are interested,